School is over. Come on, let's go home now. Oh no. The ink is spilling everywhere. Oh no, look at my shirt. Oh no, it is really dirty. I can't go home looking like this. Ben, tell me, what happened? My shirt is covered in ink. Okay, don't worry, I will help you. Please hurry, let's go now. Oh no, it is still not clean. I will hold your shirt for you. My shirt looks much better now. Hurry, everyone is leaving the school.
Wait, why is it so quiet here?
Look, no one is here anymore.
Let's run back to the class. Wait! Creek, what was that noise?
Oh no, the door is already closed. The light is flickering on and off. We are really stuck in here. Stay calm. Someone will come to help. I am starting to feel so scared. Let's go out to the big hall.
This door is also locked tight.
I feel like I have no hope. Wait! Look over there, a person. Help! Help us! Why did they just go away like that? No one can hear me from in here.
Who is there? Is anyone there?
Yeah?
I said, is anyone in here?
Don't give up. We must try it again. My mom always said to stay calm.
Ben, please pick up the phone.
Why don't you answer me? I am so worried.
Maybe we need a really big signal.
Okay, let's go back to the class.
Let's bring the chairs over here. I will climb up on here. Please be careful, my friend Ben.
I will call again. Ben, where are you now?
Whose phone is this? Oh, it is ringing. Hello? Who is calling, please?
Ben? Is that you? Please answer me.
Oh no, it is shaking a lot. I am falling down now.
Hello. I am the school guard here.
Wait, I don't know. Who is this?
I am sorry, but this is not Ben.
Oh my God! What is happening?
Maybe we must stay here all night. No, that just can't happen to us. Hurry up, just follow me now. Look at that, a big ball. Is that loud enough for you? It is too small. It is not loud.
This is definitely my son's phone.
Please stay calm. Don't worry too much.
Where is my son? Please tell me.
I will go and find him right now.
Please find him. Please help me.
Please, try it again. Look at me. I throw it harder now. Wow, that is very loud now.
Wait, I can hear a strange sound.
Yes, Kamei.
It is coming from the gym.
I hope someone hears us today.
Look! A light! Please help! Help! We are here!
What happened? Are you okay?
Tom is not at home. I can't find him.
It is so dark here. I'm so scared. Don't leave me.
Ben is missing too. I am so scared. Let's go to the school right now.
Listen, someone is outside.
Don't worry, I am coming now.
Yes, let's go! Hurry up!
Found you. You're both in here. Hold on, I will open the door for you. You two can come out now.
Thank you so much, mister. I was so scared. Oh, my dear Ben. Mom, I am so sorry for everything. Oh, sweetheart, it's okay. Tom, I'm so happy to see you. I was so worried. We were not careful. It was our fault. It's okay. I'm glad you are safe. Thanks for watching. This is Sun English TV.
Please, like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.